Hello guys, welcome all. I'm your host, Deko Mohammed. Our focus today is NBV and Xnpv in Excel. Kindly, if you're coming here for the first time, click on the subscription button and the notification bell for more updates. Welcome all. So I'd like to do this question that was tested under Kasneb 2022 December last year. 23, question 23. This is the question. You are evaluating a 4-year project with an initial investment of 10 million on 1st January 2023. And these are the cash flows. You have the debt cash flow, 1st January, 10 million. That is June, 2,750,000. That 1st July, 4,250,000. That is September, 3,250,000. And then lastly, December 31st, you have 2750. The discount rate is 8%. Then you are asked to get the NBV and Xnpv. So we want to compute this NBV and Xnpv. It's very easy. For us to start the NBV, we just say it's equal to, then get the NBV. Our rate here is 8. You have the rate, you only require the rate and the values. This is our rate. Then you put comma. Then these are values. Values, we start from year 2. We start from year 2. These are the values. Then you close the bracket. You close the bracket. Then we subtract the initial investment. Remember, if I click here minus, and this is already minus, so it will become plus. So for me to have negative, I have to say plus. So that plus minus will become minus. So we have plus this. Then I click enter. So this is the that is our NBV 791,273, which is very, very easy. Now, for you to get, this is NBV. For you to get the Xnpv, we need to rewrite these cash flows. We need to get the Xnpv. For us to get the Xnpv, we need to write these cash flows. Let's have here, we have here the debt, and here we have the cash flow. We have the debt, here we have the cash flow. Now, we start with the month, then the date, then the year. This one does not have any difference because it is 1st of January. You don't have any difference. But for the next one, we start with the month, which is 6. June is 6. The date is started. Then we have 2023. Next is 31st July. We start with the July, which is 7, 31st, then 24. Next is September 30th. September is 8. Then we have 30th. Then we have 24. Next is December 31st, 2026. December is 12th. We have 31st here. Then let's have the year, which is 26. That's how we do it. You see, the first month is 1st of January, 2023. 6/30, 2023. We start with the month, 6/30, 7/31st, 8/30, 12/31st. We have 23, 23, 24. This is 2025. September is 2025. September is 2025. Then we have 2026. So the first cash flow is minus 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 10 million. That is minus 10 million. Let me put it in. And that's minus 10 million. Next is 2,750,000. 3 zeros. Enter. Then next is 4,250. 4,250,000. Enter. We put it in comma. 4,250,000. Next is 3,250. 1, 2, 3. Enter. Then we have the comma there. 3,250,000. Lastly, we have 2,750,000. 2,750,000. 2,000,000. That's now we need to get the Xnpv. We need to get the Xnpv. We say like this. We say it's equal to Xnpv Xn. Now we start with the rate. The rate here is 8%. We put comma. The values, we start now from year 0. Remember when we're doing the NBV, we started from year 1. But now we start from year 0, which is minus 10 million, like that. Then we put a comma. We take the dates. We take the dates, like that. 630, 730, 830. All that, yes. Then we close this bracket. We put enter. Yeah, that's our Xnpv. Guys, that was the class on NBV and Xnpv. It's very easy. Just require the rates and the cash flow. The only difference that when we are doing the NBV, we don't use the 0 cash flows. We only subtract. But here in Xnpv, we add them. Remember, they are irregular and regular cash flows. That was a brief class. Thank you for tuning in. Stay updated for more. Thank you for watching this class.